Hello, my name is Rafael Conchihui and welcome to my course reflection for TMF1214 Computer Architecture. My expectations for this course are to learn about the history of current computing technologies and modern computer architecture. This is to help me comprehend modern computer technologies so that I can recognize the interconnection between hardware and software as well as different components of a computer. This semester's topics have helped me understand several aspects of computer systems, such as how caching works to improve computer performance and various operating system architectures. Furthermore, each lecture unit is organized chronologically, making it easy for me to comprehend the important parts and the connections between different topics. This course did provide me with what I had hoped it would, as I am now able to use the course material to determine the underlying structure of a computer system and the link between its features and hardware. Not only that, but I can now evaluate computer systems and select appropriate computer specifications depending on various requirements and uses. Lecture 1, which is Introduction to Computer Architecture, exposed me to the organization and design of computer systems, which piqued my interest in learning more about their structures and purposes. Through Lecture 2, I learned how to convert between decimal, binary, and hexadecimal number systems, as well as identify the fundamental principles of digital logic. This helps me to realize how the number system is represented by computers and how programs can make complicated decisions based on basic yes or no arguments. Additionally, I discovered in Lecture 3 that computer components are interconnected using von Neumann architecture. After knowing this valuable knowledge, I am much impressed with how computer design are constantly improved over time to make them more powerful. In the case of Lecture 4, memory types are organized in a memory hierarchy diagram based on their capacity, cost per bit, and access time. I appreciate this knowledge because thanks to the contributions of computer designers, I will not have to worry about my computer running out of memory or performing poorly. Meanwhile, Lecture 5, internal memory, includes several types of semiconductor main memory and error correction. Through this lecture, I am grateful that the computer system I currently use is dependable and capable of correcting any system faults. Regarding Lecture 6, external memory, I believe it is critical to examine the memory's rare characteristics, as there will be occasions when a single hard drive is insufficient to meet the data storage demands of some large-sized files. Next, the technique of how I/O modules link with the CPU is the knowledge that I treasure, since it offers me a basic picture of how the I/O operates if interacting with the computers and the outside world. As stated in Lecture 8, an operating system is a master program that conducts operations such as program creation, control access to files, and system access. This clearly gave me an understanding of what an operating system is and how it operates on a computer. Proceeding on to Lecture 9, I find that the fundamentals of computer arithmetic useful since it demonstrates how the ALU does calculations on a computer. The most significant piece of information for Lecture 10 is the instruction circle state diagram, which provides me an insight into how data flow works in a CPU. Last but not least, during Lecture 11, stronger and faster microprocessors are introduced to allow computers to complete tasks quickly, thus making our lives easier. This information is vital to me since it protects how each component addressed in previous chapters is linked together in constructing a competent computer system. The most essential concepts I have learned in this class are how to handle numeric system conversions, computer arithmetic calculations, and virtual circuit construction. These insights can help me fully understand the computer structures and how each component interacts to make the computer work. As a result, I may unexpectedly improve my programming abilities as I can alter my coding according to the architectural and programmatic resource limits. This course has influenced me as now I wish to keep up with the latest computer technology by reading tech articles or forums. It has also inspired me to discuss appropriate device specifications with my colleagues when purchasing an electronic device for study or gaming purposes. In addition, skills such as numbering system conversion and Hamming error correcting code were also applied in another course, Communication and Computer Network, which in turn giving me more confidence in answering these types of problems in the examination. Consequently, this course assisted me in developing problem-solving and analytical abilities for future use. What I enjoy the most about this class is the theories that are taught due to the strong connectivity between several topics. In contrast, my sole concern with this class is that its instruction is only directed towards a subset of students, when it should have involved more people in this world filled with technology everywhere, so that everyone may develop basic computer skills. That concludes my presentations. Thanks for watching.